Good morning. I'm Cher Johnston. In this video, we're going to do Take a Stitch Tuesday. We're doing a couching technique. Now, I have here some examples of some of the types of things that you might want to couch down because you can't get them really through a needle and through the fabric. So I'm going to use this today just to show you the technique, and I'm just going to do like a straight line. You could use this for lettering, for example. I'm going to go up on one side, and then I'm going to kind of push that toward the thread and go down on the other side. Then I'm going to go down here, pull through, and then sort of tack it down. You could put your stitches closer together if you'd like. You could use a thread that matched what you were couching. It's often done with a different color just to sort of show off the different colors. And that is this week's Take a Stitch Tuesday video. Thanks for watching.